Fonts are like actors. Some play it straight, others have range. Let's talk about alternates and stylistic sets. Using the type contextual controls, I'll apply alternates. You can view more alternates on the glyphs panel. This is great for logos, packaging, or anytime you want to add personality to the type without switching fonts. Some fonts let you apply multiple alternates as a stylistic set. You can use the glyphs panel to discover what's included in a specific stylistic set. In some fonts, sets are named, like swash caps or simplified forms. In others, they may just be called set 1, set 2, set 3, etc. You can apply the sets cumulatively, and if you always want a particular set on, you can incorporate it into a paragraph style. Turn on contextual alternates if you want the glyph to change depending on what you type next. This controls how the letters of script faces connect. You can always further embellish with hand-chosen alternates. Alternates and stylistic sets let you get expressive while staying typographically consistent. Just don't overdo it. Swashes, for example, which are their own category of alternate, should only be used for initial caps. As well as being used to add flair, stylistic sets can also be used to simplify. Some fonts give the option of simplified forms of lowercase a's and g's. So whether you're adding flair or dialing things back, alternates and stylistic sets give you nuanced control over a font's personality.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.